like to share a problem I'm facing here in my macOS when I try to run Python 3. I get an error saying xcrun error invalid active developer path. So this developer path is missing or not available. So what I have to do is to go to developer.apple.com/download/all and choose CommandLineTools for Xcode. This is the latest version, so you don't need to install all Xcode. That is around 11 gigabytes. You just need to install CommandLineTools. Okay, I'm downloading. You need to have an account to log into this, so an iCloud account, an Apple ID, to log into this developer.apple.com and make this download. So let's wait for this to finish. Download finished. Let's run this thing. It's DMG. Okay, CommandLineTools. It's running and install it. Just run the installer. Okay, continue. Okay, agree, of course. 2.72 of GB space. Okay, no problem. Asking for my password. And here we go. Installation was successful. So move to bin. Don't need it anymore. So it is now installed. CommandLineTools, Python 3. Let's try again. And okay, all is okay now. So world of Python 3. Oh, error because I forgot it has to be between parentheses. Let's try again. Hello world of Python 3. Again. Problem solved.